Motor build is complete. Turned out a lot better than I expected. Starts right up. Sounds like an absolute beast. I mean, it's deafening. Now to put it into something, but not exactly sure what. The wife did stipulate, just don't come home with a rusted POS. So what can I do that's not a rusted POS?
What is this I hear about something to put an engine into?
Who are you and how'd you get into my house?
You will call me Commander, Supreme Leader of the Cobra Organization and arch enemy of G.I. Joe. I have the perfect car for that beast, but are you beast enough to handle it? What you need is something with the invisibility of a burning Hindenburg. Fleeing from underground, covered parking lots when uncontrollable car alarms are screaming your departure. Something to remind yourself that these cars get more attention than a dead body in the parking lot. Something with a power-to-weight ratio better than almost every supercar. Something that as you pass a troop of Harley riders will look over and give you a thumbs up. Something other cars will immediately pause to let you go ahead of them. When your engine has its hot, crackling, intimidating exhaust side pipe aimed at the flank of another muscle car, Porsche or import, your exhaust pulsations will slowly unscrew his lug nuts. The other cars will simply remain motionless, stricken with fear. The slightest quiver will cause your car to stomp it dead. Something for when you put that little silver key into the ignition and begin your countdown, your car will whisper, "Take me for granted, and I will kill you." The time has come for the Cobra to rise and reveal itself.
So what you're saying is...
A Cobra replica, a Factory 5 Mark IV Roadster, a handmade beauty for the street. There is no compromise for anything other than pure power. Brutal and unforgiving, with all the refinement of a medieval battle axe.
I like it. No rusted POS, everything new, no donor parts, classic body lines, and beauty. But I have an LS motor. Don't the roasters use Ford engines like 289s, 302s, 427s, and Coyotes?
Insolent fool. Factory 5 now offers an LS option.
Hells yeah. You know what? I'll do it. And in your honor, I'm going to call this project the Baroness. An acknowledgement to sexy yet lethal, powerful yet elegant. Besides, all great cars should have a girl's name.
Yes, the Baroness. I like that very much. Very fitting.
A Factory 5 Mark IV Roadster, codenamed the Baroness.
Sorry, Corvette. You're out of the band. The Cobra Revolution has begun.